Free shipping is $50, $50 free shipping. $50 free shipping all over the world. Okay. Hi, Yoni Burton. Happy to see you. Okay. So both okay. And the live streaming order can be combined together with the web order. You can pay the web order and the live streaming order together and ship together and to meet the $50 same time combined to one order and ship together, pay together. We are the same shop. Hi, Andrew. Happy to see you. Hello, Mary Lucia. Happy to see you. So here we are going to make a new ring. What are we making? Yes, have a good day off together with my children, with my family. Hello, Peanuts. Happy to see you. Let's making a ring here. This one, we cut the wire 1 millimeter, make it the length after fold is about 9 centimeter, 3 inch. And we cut this long thin wire, the 0.4, cut here 60 centimeter, 60. Then I'm going to string the beads. Let's string the beads and start to braid a nice ring. Okay. Here. This one go through. Baby boy name is English name is Dell, D-E-L-L Dell. His Chinese name is Yihang, Qian Yihang. Yeah, Yihang Qian. Qian is the first name. It's the last name. Sorry. Okay. Thank you. Hello. Happy to see you, my dear. It's going to making a black ring here to share with you how to make by ourselves. We are a channel that share with you how to make the jewelry by ourselves. The chain jewelry, necklace, bracelet, or the wire wrap jewelry. Wire wrap jewelry, we make a lot of the rings. Okay. So here is the first way, that's to string the beads first. Here. Here. And here. Okay. Then we're going to fold it. Hi. Hello, nice to meet you, Carmen. So here we're going to start to make the ring. Is go to fold it. Okay, the beginning we cut away. Then here the beads, first one here. Then the beads come to fold it. After fold, let another beads come. Okay. Here. Then fold it up. Come another beads. Here. This way. And again, fold it up. Come the beads, fold it, come the beads. So here we can see the beads, we wrap it one by one. Here. wrapper and fold it back. Here, this way, and way wrapper. Hi, my friends. If you are new here, this is a channel show with you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. Here. And always fold. Here. So comb the beads and the wire go the back, then fold it back. So here and wrapper. So here again, fold it. Comb the beads and can shoot closely. Here, fold it. Comb the beads. Fold it. The beads millimeter is 2 millimeter, dear. 2 millimeter is the beads. It's small, it's cubic zircon. Here. Here. Wrapper. You're welcome. Here we are a channel that share the free tutorials, and at the same time we sell all the supplies for jewelry making. The copper wire here we sell is non-tarnish. Even you go shower, go swimming, don't worry about the quality. It's not going to be fade. And you can wear it to go shower, go swimming, and the color will not be fade here. We are not only sell the copper wire, we have the stainless steel chains, stainless steel charms, so can be used for many different jewelries. Hi Dana, happy to see you. Yeah. So comb the beads. Here. Come the beads. Here. Let's see how long. It's 5.5. Okay, we can stop it. Stop it. How to do? Fold it. We fold it here. And we fold it here. Here.
Message wap wap wap.
Wrap. We wrap the wire to the band, to this band. Wrap. If you have materials, you can make it together with me. Here. Okay, so it's finished a band here. Then the side here we can make it just cut it directly. Here. Wrapper. Wrapper. Okay. And how long is the beads part? The beads part I wrap is 5.5 centimeter, and the total this ring band we wrap it is 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter. Finally, the ring size will be about 8. So we go to band. See 8, and can be wear as a ring in size 9 and size 8, both okay. Okay, so it's going to be a size 9. This, then size 9 design here, very bling bling. The beads color is